Right. All right.
Italian presidents are quite funny, actually.
Let's get to Kathleen now.
They're like Mussolini, they come back. For like, even after they're dead, they still come back. Amazing.
Well, they do.
Kathleen, you're up. Let's read these
Okay.
lines.
Oh, okay. Same one. Buongiorno Italia, buongiorno Maria, con gli occhi pieni di. Oh gosh, I was going to remember it. Malinconia.
There you go.
Malinconia. Buongiorno Dio, lo sai che ci sono anch'io.
Yeah. Okay. Before we get to that one, here goes that contraction we saw again. Remember, we were talking about this before.
Right.
Col. This could have been con il also. You might have also heard it that way too.
Right.
Okay.
And instead of con il, it's col. Yeah.
In this case, they use col, but they also could have said con il. Café ristretto. So that's another
Probably
example.
it's a syllable thing. He wanted the same numbers
Probably to get it to
Exactly,
song,
yeah.
get
to
it
come out right with the
better
syllable.
with the song, right? All right, so Kathleen, you read these 4 parts. So let's see what he says.
Buongiorno Italia, buongiorno Maria, con gli occhi pieni di malinconia. Buongiorno Dio, lo sai che ci sono anch'io.
All right. So
Sai che ci sono.
buongiorno Italia, buongiorno Maria. What's that?
With your eyes full of melancholy,
Con gli occhi pieni di malinconia. Yeah.
there's sadness.
Yeah.
Buongiorno, God.
Dio, yeah.
You know that I am here. No, that I am.
Still here.
Yeah.
I am
right.
here also.
Yep. Lo sai che ci sono anch'io. Yep. Perfect. All right, Patty, you're up next. I think this is a repeat for you too.
Okay.
Let's see if you can get this verb right now.
Lasciatemi.
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 What?
Lasciatemi.
That's what I said.
Dr. Me.
All right, read it.
Non lei catere mano,
Yeah.
lasciatemi cantare una canzone piano piano.
All right, let's hear it.
Lasciatemi cantare con la chitarra in mano. Lasciatemi cantare una canzone piano piano.
All right, and so lasciatemi cantare, Patty, we know that. What's that mean?
Let me sing with the guitar in hand.
Yep.
Let me sing softly, easily.
Yep, softly, easily. Let me sing a song nice and easily, softly.
Okay.
An easy song.
Okay.
And we got Tony up here. I think this is a repeat for you too, Tony.
It is a repeat, yeah.
Go ahead. What?
Lasciatemi cantare perché non sono fiero, sono un italiano, italiano vero.
All right, let's hear it.
Lasciatemi cantare perché ne sono fiero. Sono un italiano vero.
And so he sang Lasciatemi cantare. You know what that means, right?
Let me sing
Yeah.
because I am proud. I am an Italian. I'm a true Italian.
Yep. And here is it's easy to get the negative. Perché ne sono fiero. Lasciatemi cantare perché ne sono fiero. If you say no sono fiero, then that'll turn it into a negative. So perché ne sono fiero, sono un italiano vero.
But if I was to sing it, I would put Italiana, right?
That's right.
See.
That's
Italiana vera.
That, yeah.
right. Female would sing
Okay.
Italiana.
Would we also say fiera instead
Fiera. See.
Yeah. And then you would be saying fiera. Yeah.
of? I thought so,
And then
yeah.
you would be saying
Un italiano fiera.
Italiana. vera.
Italiana vera.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Vera and Fiera.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
I'm glad you brought that up
Yep, good one. Good point.